nothing about you, but I need to burn you. Okay? Ready for me to burn you? Okay.
Go ahead. Don't
burn.
get too close. Just drop it in there.
After 4 years.
All right. You want to go get another one?
Yep.
That a boy. Good job.
Good time. Yeah. I'm going to drop it right in the fire.
Yep. Say goodbye, Nooks.
Goodbye. I will love you forever.
You want to sing a little song for the Nooks?
Yeah.
They've been with you for 4 years.
I don't know how well Nooks burn.
Here, dump them all in there all at once.
Have a car, have a little have a carver.
Say bye, Nooks. See you forever.
See you for never and ever.
May you come back and help somebody else out. Dump them all in there, buddy, all at once.
Put them in and then
Whoa, don't get too close.
7 and I'll 10.
Whoa.
I'll have so much you be. Whatever you do, I won't forget you. Now, for you, little tiny. Okay.
Is that your last one?
Okay, so you have a little. I know you don't. I know you don't leave, but you gotta.
Good
Congratulations, buddy.
job, 4 years old.
But it's not. But they're not gonna get burned.
They're burning.